The UConn Huskies men's soccer team opened up their busy October slate Saturday night as they hosted Cincinnati. After a frustrating first half that saw UConn outshoot the Bearcats 13-3, the teams entered halftime tied at 0. But the Huskies broke through in the 56th minute as Abdou Mbacke Thiam got past the defense and drove it past the goalie. After the game, we caught up with Abdou to talk about how he benefits from his teammates and the home field advantage the Huskies have here at Maroney Stadium.
It means like everything, because like the difference between like UConn and other team. Every time we hear, at least like we have like 4,000 people like coming up every game. I think like that makes a difference like every time, because like every time we try to sleep, they wake up.
Later, Venner lasered one in the 79th minute off an assist by Dylan Greenberg. It was Venner's first goal of the season. Then, Steffen Yeates got away on the breakaway and put the nail in the coffin in the 89th minute with his first career goal. After the game, Yeates spoke about the importance of this first goal.
Well, no, I'm very excited to have scored my first goal. You know, it helps me build my confidence going to the next games, to hopefully score more and even create more goals for Abdou and other players who are attacking.
A strong defensive effort helped goalie Austin Avisa post yet another shutout.
I mean, it's everything. It's mostly on the defense. Just we played well the whole 90, so it's just good to keep it compact back there and not give up anything.
The Huskies return home on Tuesday night to play host to Sacred Heart. They look to improve to 6-0-1 here at Maroney Stadium. From Maroney Stadium, I'm Noam Watt, UCTV Sports.